Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi. I today have a haul for you, as you can probably tell by these bags and the title of this video. But I have a Joann's haul, and then I also have a Michael's haul. I'm just going to throw them into one video just to make it easy for you guys to watch and to make it quick and, I don't know, just seamless, I guess. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you everything I got, and just real quick, I want to say sorry for if you can hear the background noise. My washing machine's going and there's zippers in there, so you can kind of hear the zippers clinking around maybe. I don't know if you can, but if you hear clinking around, that's what that is. That's the dryer. So, but yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you what I got. I got a ton of good stuff, and I'm really excited to show you. So I'm going to start with my Michael's haul, and this is everything that I got, and I only paid... let's see, I think I paid $24.47, and I actually didn't use any of my own money because I had birthday gift cards, but I still have like, I have $9 left, so yay and hooray. But I have all of this stuff to show you guys. I got a ton of good deals, and I'm really excited about them. Most of the things I got were for friend mail, and just for the people who didn't get these deals, because I don't really need any of this, so I'm not going to be keeping most of it. So the first items I want to show you were these washi tubes. These are from the, let's see, oh, there it is. This is from the Coastal Village collection, and everything in Coastal Village was $2, so that's basically all I got was this Coastal Village stuff, because I also had a 30% off regular price items coupon. So I got 3 of the rolls of this washi tape. Well, here, I'll show you again. It has this like pretty bohemian print. I don't know, this says something. Then there's lemons, there's an orange with leaves, this really pretty one, and then the pineapples, and then a gold and a green glitter. So I got 3 of those. I took everything, well, these were only 60 cents. Let me just start off with that. I don't know why. I'm not sure what the deal was, but these were only 60 cents, so I got all the ones my friend didn't get, because I went with my friend Rebecca and she wanted some, so I took whatever she didn't want, because I'm not keeping any of this, except, I don't know, I really like that turtle one, so I might keep this one. I'm not really sure, but I'm not planning on keeping these 3. I'm planning on sending them out. I'm not sure if my Aunt Nancy got them, but I told her about these deals, so I'm not sure if she picked up the washi tape, but if she didn't, I'll probably send her one if she wants one, and then I have 2 extra ones to split up maybe and put in embellishment boxes, or just to send out as a whole for those friends that didn't get them. So that's why I have 3 of them. I wasn't like trying to take them off the shelf and keep them for myself. I'm not keeping at least these for myself, and I might keep this one. I'm not sure yet. But these were only 60 cents, so I hope you guys snatched them up while you could, because they only had like 8 left, I think, on the shelf, and my friend took, or that would be 6. My friend took 2 and I took 4. So the next bunch of items I got were paper pads. These ended up being only, so here's the 60-cent washi tape. Isn't that crazy? And then these paper pads were only $1.40 because I had a coupon. So I got, let's see, I got 2 of the embossed ones. So I'm going to do a quick flip through really quick. These are just embossed pages. So there's the green with the leaves, there's the orange or coral with the flowers, yellow with pineapples, and then the blue with the Moroccan print. So I thought those were really pretty, and again, these weren't available online because I did make an order online of this Coastal Village stuff, but I wasn't able to pick up the paper pads online, so I will definitely show you what I got, maybe on Instagram, because it's not a very big haul, but I'll show you what I got. I got stamp sets with the dies in them, and then I also got, I think I got some stickers. So, but yeah, I couldn't get these, and I'm not sure if my Aunt Nancy could, so I got 2 of these 2. In case she wanted them. So I'm going to quickly show you this one. This one has gold foiling on it, and they're one-sided. There's just some really pretty papers in there. Yeah, I really like this collection. I wasn't the biggest fan of it when it, oh, I love that one, when it first came out, because I don't know, I'd rather get the backyard collection. That's like what I was more interested in, and I like don't like to buy a bunch at one time. That's a lie, but what I'm trying to say is that like I like to stick to things that match, so I don't want to like go with 2 different themes because they're completely different. But for $2, I am loving this theme. And so this little 6x6 pad is double-sided, and just a quick flip through. Sorry if that's too fast. You can pause the video if you want. But I could only get one of these. They only had one, so I picked up that, and I thought these would be great sizes too to use in my die cut machine. So I got paper pads, and then the backyard collection, or backyard table, that's what it's called, was on sale for 40% off. So I got this. I think it was like $3.59. I just thought it was cool, and I liked the color of the pink toilet orange, so I got this. And like I said, I had a 30% off regular price items coupon, and this was, let's see, this came out to be only $1.40 also. So I got 6 little inkers. I thought these were cute colors. I don't know how well they work, but I thought they were colors, or cute colors, so that's what I got. And those are in the value section, or whatever you call that. I got these. We're making a trip to Canada, and in Canada there's this really fun country bar. It's called Big Texas, and we like it. Me and my friends were going, and we really like that place, and it's really funny. I don't know, it's just a funny like joke, and I thought I'd pick these up for scrapbooking, and they were only $1.49, which is not bad for these Jolie Boutique stickers. They were originally $3.99, so I got those. I got these really pretty cupcake stickers. You guys have probably seen them. I saw them on Craft Purge's channel first, and oh my god, I almost died. I was like, this is so cute. Like, I wanted them so bad. So I did end up paying, actually I might have gotten these with my 40% off coupon. Yes, I did get these for only $2.39, which is kind of expensive for only, what is this, 9 stickers. Actually, it's not that bad, but they're really, really pretty, and I love them. So I picked these up. And then I picked these up because I'm working on a gift for a friend. Her birthday's not for a while, but I thought she would really like them. So I picked these up. And then I also picked this up for a gift, and I just thought it was cute. Something cute to hang off your purse and go with the rest of my gift that I'm going to give her. So I got her this, and this was only $2.99, so not bad. And you can put your ID in here or whatever. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute, so I got that. And that is everything from Michael's. And again, I only spent $24, which is really great for this many washi tapes. And then I also got an ink pad, well, a bunch of ink pads. I mean, not great quality for the little ones, but some paper pads. So I was really excited about that. And now I'm going to show you everything I got from Joann's, because Joann's had their 50% off paper crafting sale, I guess you could say. And then I think there was a 20% off sale in regular price items also. So I only ended up spending, I saved $71, and then I ended up spending $49.22, so it was a little more than I had planned on, but I'm really excited about the things I got from Joann's also. So I'm just going to quickly show you all of that. And if you want prices, I'm not going to go ahead and look for every price from Joann's because there's a lot of items, but if you want prices, let me know what items you want to know how much they were, and I'll definitely let you know in the comments. Just let me know. But this was only 97 cents. There are 4 berry boxes. White, I don't have any white ones. I have blue and pink, so I thought these were cute, and I picked them up for only 97 cents. I thought that was a great deal. Now, my friend's gonna know this is for her when she's watching, but girl, just pretend you didn't see this. But I got this to put her gift in because I just thought it was really cute, and she likes cats, and look how cute that is. So I picked this up. This was at the register. I think it was $2.50 or something. I don't know. Oh, $1.59, and then I don't know if I got money off, but it's really cute. I picked up these 2 glitter paper pads. I think they were only like $3. So I wanted to get both colors just because one's pastels and one's brights. I think they both look pretty similar. I mean, I guess this is bright, but they're pretty similar colors. And I just thought they were pretty. Everybody else on my Instagram cuts their die cuts out with glitter paper, and they look so much better in glitter. Just everything looks better with glitter. I don't know if you guys are like that too, but I believe that. So I got these to use in my die cut machine. I thought these 6x6 is the best to use for die cut machines because you could get the 12x12 one, but that was $8 I think, and you'd have to cut it apart and stuff, and I feel like you'd end up with more waste. So I got the little ones because for $6 I get pretty much the same amount of cardstock. I got an embroidery hoop. I think I had the like a regular price item coupon or something, so I picked this up. I wanted to make an loaded embroidery hoop for somebody, I don't know who, but I thought it would be fun, and this was a good size. They had this really cute succulent collection right by the register, and I thought these were adorable, and they were on sale for even cheaper than what they already were. So they look a lot like the Target dollar spot, like they could come from there. But I picked up most of these items for my friend for her birthday, and I got her this really cute notepad. I just think that's really cute, and it has a magnet on the back. I got these for myself because I couldn't stand, look at that face and look at that face. I think these are so cute. So I got these. I got these stickers for my friend. Thought they were cute. And then I also got these patches. I thought these were really cute, and she's like into recycling. So I don't know. These, they say reusable, so For some reason that like screamed sustainable to me or something like that. But I thought they were really cute, and I like this one that says "You Grow Girl." I thought that was cute. These erasers I picked up, they were a little more expensive than I thought they would be. They were $2.50, and then they had, I think, 70% off. So like not a bad deal to pick these up, but I didn't really need them. But I thought they'd be cute to put in Happy Mail, because none of these are like Easter specific. Bunnies with glasses, like that doesn't need to be for Easter, and neither does a little chick or a little lamb. So I picked these up. I thought they'd be cute, and I think they were only like $1 or something like that. I don't know what that is, but got some erasers. This I'm super excited about. I think it was 50% off. I remember it being like $6 or something, so I had to get it. Everybody's been posting pictures of their glampers or campers or whatever they're calling them on Instagram. I follow a lot of people who are doing their, like, who are decking them out, and obviously I don't have money to get a camper right now, or like the means to. So I picked up this. I thought it would be really cute to paint and kind of decorate. I might end up putting it on like a little like square, just so I can have like a yard with it and stuff. But I'll definitely post a video on that when I make it. I'm really excited for it. I got some little like garden things from the Dollar Tree, and yeah, so I picked this up for only $6. These were what I was most excited to see. I walked down the aisle and this was the first thing I saw. These embossing folders were only $2. So I'm shaking the camera. These were only $2. They were 5 for $10, so I picked up 5. And so the first one I got were clouds. I got this one with the flowers, and these were originally like, I want to say $9.99 or $4, maybe they weren't that expensive, like $5.99 or something, but still $2 for embossing folders, that's cheaper than on AliExpress. So I got the one with clocks, and then I got this paisley one, and then I got this really cute heart one. So like I said, even cheaper than AliExpress, and they're really cute designs. They had a bunch of them. I could have gotten more, but I told myself no. And like I said, everything was 50% off, so I picked up this Tim Holtz ephemera pack. I thought it was really pretty, and I like the butterflies. And I don't really do Tim Holtz because I don't really like the realistic look. I like more of the like crafty, fakey look. But I thought these were pretty, and I mean, I make things for other people, not just for me, and maybe somebody else would like to either receive these in a embellishment box or something, or they would like something made with this. So I thought I'd pick them up for really cheap. And then I got these little dragonfly stickers. One's falling off, but it doesn't really matter. I thought they were cute, and they were cheap. I got a like memo board for my birthday, so I picked these up to put on there because I think they're really cute, and I like am trying to find more words to put on it. So it's smile, awesome, laugh, and favorite. I just thought they were good colors because I have a pink board, so I thought these would go best with what I already have. And the real reason why I went to Joann's, because usually I never go to Joann's, but I didn't realize they had such good paper stuff. So I saw everybody on Instagram with this stuff, and this is why I went. This stuff was only $1, and then maybe with my coupon it was even cheaper. Let's see. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. They were about $1. So I picked up 2 packs of these bags, one gingham one and one polka dot one, and they have different designs in there also, but I just picked these up. I thought they were cute. I got 2 packs of doilies. One was on clearance for 97 cents. I got tan and I got blue. They're different designs, but they're still really cute. I don't know why I got tan. Like, now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of ugly, but it might look cute with something, so we'll figure something out. I got these little stars. I thought they were really pretty. I got foam squares just because for $1, I thought, why not? You get 700, you know? So I picked those up. I got a little heart punch. I don't usually do punches now that I have my die cut machine, but this is a really nice size heart. It's big enough, but small enough. I don't know if that makes sense. And it's cute. It's pink, my colors, so I picked that up for only $1. And then I got a few stamp sets because I didn't want them, but I thought they would be really great for friend mail, so I picked this one up for 97 cents. Thought that was really cute, nice spot. I might keep this one, I don't know. And then I got this one, and then I got this one with the arrows and such, so I'm enjoying these. I think they're cute. I got this set of alphabet stickers. There's gold, rose gold, and silver in there, or copper, whatever you want to call it. Can you see that okay? Hopefully the glare not bad, but just nice letters. They're cute. And then I picked up a bunch of paper clips, but first I'm just going to show you this. I picked up these dots, that they were cute. And then I picked up 2 packs, I picked up 2 packs of the unicorn paper clips just because I thought they were so cute. And I did a unicorn swap, and I made the video already on it, so you won't see me put these in there, but I'm also going to add some of these into the box because I think they're so cute. I got mermaid ones, I got flamingos, and then I got arrows. I got one of every one they had, and then 2 of the unicorns. So that is everything I got today. Well, not today, I got it yesterday, but that's everything I bought. This was the week ending in March 31st, so the end of the March. So yeah, this is everything I got. I'm really excited to play around with some of this stuff, and I will definitely be sharing what I make with most of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite item was. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.